There's just a lot of nuanced stuff. This is what's really important in terms of, a hiring process. Making sure that everybody is aligned. And this is what we learned from some companies we work with. You've got maybe operations that have one idea of what a candidate should be, and you've got HR who has a completely other idea of what a candidate should be. And I know politics are politics, but in this situation, the HR team was driving the bus. Well, the HR team had never worked on a generator or worked on a truck or whatever, so you got to make sure that everybody's all aligned in terms of really what you're looking for. Also, when you get someone on the hook, you gotta close the deal really fast, right? You can't let these folks wait.